What's up, people? Seamer coming to you from Summer, and today's challenge is we're gonna shoot a gun.
Wait, where is it?
It's in my trunk.
It's...
We'll shout out to you guys later, but I'm currently driving. I'm 16 now. I have a license. I am legally able to drive. You guys don't get to get angry at me for driving.
I am 13. Almost going to be 14 in 4 days.
Oh, you're gonna be 14.
I know, I'm going to be 14
days.
in 4 days.
That's so
It's
insane.
exhilarating. I know.
So yeah, we're technically not supposed to be back here. There's like a large fence and a barbed wire fence, but we got over here. This is where we're gonna be shooting a gun. We got a pelt gun. Fuck, that hurt getting in here. But yeah. So there's like a barbed wire fence. Autumn's getting through there. She's climbing under. She's got all the targets and stuff. Yeah, this is my baby. Cool guy gave it to me yesterday while he visited. He was a friend of a friend I have. He came over to my place. And he gave me this. So thank him. But yeah. You doing okay, Autumn?
Why so many pricklies?
All right, only one more fence to go. We got these bullets right here. We had to smuggle this like across a city street, so I had to like keep it in my pants and stuff. Looked very weird. But yeah. No, finally made it here. We're finally here, Autumn. All right, we're here. Sand Hill. Got my gun and bullets right there. I'm right here. Got Autumn trucking up the hill right there. We are making it. So yeah, starting a new generation of Seamer videos. This time they're gonna be a bit more interesting because I have a car and a job and money. God, think how much I've evolved since that 7th grade videos and the 6th one. All right, ready to get started shooting on them? Cut a hole in the top of this. These are what the bullets look like.
Kind of cute.
Yep. This thing can only hold one bullet at a time, and then it shoots. It's a pump action, and it's as I pump it. All right, she should be good there.
This is a wee bit dangerous. Logan is like a professional hunter now. Gonna do the whiteboard apparently. What if somebody needed that, Logan, and you just took it from them? My little toesies, my 3 little pigs. My 3 little pigs. My wee little piggies. Don't shoot off any of my piggies. Okay. Oh, he missed. Close, though. I saw it. It was close. Oh, that was a close one, too.
That hit it.
Oh, yeah, I did.
What are you talking about? Look at that.
He hit it, guys.
I blasted through it.
He's like a professional BB gunner now.
Professional gunner, yeah.
Woo! It's a nice, solid hole. Oh, goodness. He's doing it from farther away, folks. Grab your popcorn.
I just got done with track, so the fastest, I was a 400 runner. The fastest I ran was the last race when I ran a 57.66.
Yep. He's like...
I'm fairly proud of that.
He's like a fast person now.
Damn it, miss.
Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a big chunk of a pretty rock. Yeah, see that? It's really pretty rock.
This isn't a BB gun, this is a pellet gun, so it's a bit step above a BB gun. Oh, put it backwards.
It's like not a BB gun. It's like better than it's more dangerous than a BB gun.
It's better than a BB gun. It's more dangerous than a BB gun. It can injure you more, especially with the pellets I'm using. Yeah, this is gifted to me. I'm very proud of it. I love it. And plus, it's better than a BB gun because it's pump action. So
it's like
unlimited. You can see me pumping it there. Then it uses that air instead of using the CO2 it would normally use from a canister for a normal BB gun. Shooting too high.
A little too high, so he's gonna go again. He's got one so far, his little whiteboard target.
I hit it!
He did! Let's go check that out. Oh, falling over. Okay, so this is the hole right there. Distance is pretty significant.
Significant for someone who has only shot a gun once and it was a pistol, so. Ready?
Get ready.
I hit it!
He got it!
I hit her. And that was from a pretty solid distance away.
Yeah.
All right, Autumn, you want to try?
Sure.
Look at you. All right, get ready. Did you hit it? You hit it! Autumn, I believe you are the hole right there.
No,
Huh.
I'm this one.
Yeah, that's the hole right there.
Okay, yeah.
Right there.
That's my hole.
Autumn's got a hole on the board. There are 4 of them, guys.
Yep.
But now I can drive, guys. So we can do so many cool things. We can do Coke and Mentos and stuff like that. Playing with guns today. Did you hit it?
I think so. Right bottom there?
Yep, oh, there we go, the bottom, right there. Right there at the bottom. Oh, yeah. Look at that clean hole, Autumn. Let's try some more fun things, okay?
Alright.
Since now we know how to use this gun mostly.
Don't. Or I'll shoot. Don't test me. I'll shoot ya. But I don't like looking while I shoot, so that's what I'm doing.
Did you hit it? Yeah! You got a new hole in there. Sheesh!
Alright. He is a shooter and he's trying to shoot this couple watching the sunset from afar.
Got him.
I think you got him.
Yep.
Whoopi, he shot the couple.
Woo! Hitman. Go over here, Autumn.
Those are my best friends!
You're a hitman. You gotta take out that couple right there. Can you do it? The world may never know. We'll know in a second. Did you hit it?
Yep.
You got him?
You can see like
Oh yeah, you hit right next to where I hit.
yeah,
Oh,
streak.
you both hit right there.
No, wait.
On to the next round of pig.
Oh, so you're jumping?
Yep.
Alright.
Because we got a couple. Not a couple.
Why is it always a couple?
No, there's a bodyguard standing there, guarding money. Gotta take out the bodyguard.
That's because he's not in a relationship, like a good relationship. He's probably why trying to take out couples. He's like, I hate you all.
Shut up. El fuego. It has been far too long.
He missed the bodyguard and he's in the sand.
I don't know how to get up from here. Now Autumn gets to decide.
Shooting a couple down there in the direction of Logan's loneliness.
Man, that'd be mean.
Got him.
You hit it?
Yep.
Man! Now I gotta hit it. Otherwise, I lose this game with my gun. Damn it! Shot directly above it.
Yeah, I can see that.
Autumn won!
I won at shooting a pellet gun. You know me, just the best aimer, shooter.
Let's go down. Well, that's it for this video, everybody, and bye! Also, I have it. I'm wearing it like this. And there's a school bus right there. I had to do this by kids. I had to walk by kids to my car to put my gun in my car. Past all of those kids in the school bus. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was terrifying. You know how moms can be. All right, now at my car. All right, and that'll be it for the post note, although we had to climb through all those woods back there, and those sucked.